Based on all of the flips that you've done, what are the top 5 things that you think bring the most value to an improved property for normal homeowners, not just flippers?
Oh, easy. I got a guide with the top 7 things. Let me see if I pull that thing up. I'll just tell you exactly what it is. I created this. So here's what so I have bought, fixed, and sold over 1,000 houses. Okay. And what most people don't realize when they're selling their house, you don't need to gut your kitchen. You don't need to gut your bathroom. You don't need to remove your walls. But if you do a few small things, you can get an exponential return, sometimes $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 more. So the things I tell every homeowner they should do, declutter and deep clean. Number 1, we got to declutter and deep clean. Number 2, paint and lighting. I would say paint and lighting bring a house back to life. It's amazing, and it's not that expensive. The 3rd thing, I would say minor repairs. The 4th would be a kitchen refresh, and I'm not talking about gutting the kitchen. I'm talking about refreshing the kitchen. So maybe new hardware, maybe paint the cabinets, a bathroom refresh, maybe reglaze the tile, maybe a new vanity, new lights, new paint, maybe new bathroom floor tile, because that's pretty simple because you don't have all the extra waterproofing. And then flooring. If you have stains in your carpet or scratched up wood, you got to fix those things. And I always give the analogy, if you're going to buy a car, do you want to buy the car in the dealer on the showroom under the lights, or the one in the back with the bird shit? You want to buy the car on the showroom under the lights. So a homeowner, they should have that same thing. And then the last thing, which holy crap, most people forget, and it's the easiest, and it might be the highest return on investment, curb appeal and landscaping. Mailbox, paint, green grass, platter beds, color. It's the little things. And that's the thing with this business. It's the little things that make the sale go the furthest. And most homeowners today, they're selling at 90%. They're literally selling at 90% of their home's potential. So even if it's a nice house built in 2014, they're still selling at 90%, because if they're not doing those things I mentioned, they're leaving money on the table.